What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, much interesting video here on the channel. So this one particularly it's about Obi Cubana, Ato Eze. They met some of the bishop of Anambra State to discuss the peace in the eastern part of Nigeria, which is like, yeah, we all know this is the time where we celebrate Christ, time when we celebrate Christmas. So there's supposed to be peace for people to come back from every part of the world to come and celebrate Christmas. Yes, I know lots and loads of you will be saying, why would they talk about peace when Ohamadike, which is Nnamdi Kanu, is still with the DSS? Well, I don't think if one man is outside, the rest of us should not celebrate Christmas. I am not saying what he's fighting for is not a good cause. But I am saying that at all points we should always find a way to make this life continue and at the same time make it meaningful. Anyway, I'll be sharing with you the highlights of the meeting and all they did there. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment in the comment section. So the next one here, it's about Joboy and Cubana Chief Priest. The ex-shrine in Owerri actually celebrated their 1 year anniversary, and they did that with Joboy in attendance. I will bring it to you as well all of the highlights from Owerri and how it happened inside the club. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment. We all know Cubana Chief Priest is supportive to people and he has a way of entertaining people. Enjoy the video.
told you